Hi, this video tutorial will show you how to unlock the Samsung Galaxy S3 by USB. First, purchase the unlock service from FastGSM.com. Next, install and run the FastGSM Samsung client software. Make sure your Galaxy S3 says SIM network unlock pin. This means your phone is network locked. Power off the phone. Remove the SIM card. And power on the phone. Now go to Apps, Settings, Developer Options, and enable the USB debugging option. Go back to the home screen and connect the phone to a computer via micro USB cable. Go to FastGSM Samsung client software, fill in your FastGSM login and password information, and select i9300 or i9300T model. Press the next button twice. Now wait until the software unlocks your phone. Once the phone is unlocked, you can disconnect the phone from the micro USB cable. Power off the phone. Reinsert the SIM card. And power on the phone. Congratulations! Your phone is now permanently unlocked. This service is not free. You can order it through FastGSM.com. Remember, at FastGSM.com you can unlock any mobile phone. For more, please visit FastGSM.com.